Hey, Karen here with Photo SEO Lab, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a user from Google Analytics. So let's head over to our Google Analytics account. We're on the home page section at the moment, and in the bottom left hand corner behind my head there is an admin button. So we're just going to hit that, and it's going to take us to the admin area. So the column in the left is where all the account settings are. The middle column is where the property settings are. Now, ideally, kind of best practice is that you wouldn't add maybe a SEO agency or SEO professional to the account level unless absolutely necessary. There are some circumstances that would require that. But ideally, we want to not really share account level access with anyone unless it's really necessary. So where any other users would be should be within the property access management area. But let's just check account access first. So if we click this area, we'll see that we have got an extra email address in here for a user we're going to remove. But what we can see in the roles and data restrictions area are that the user doesn't have permission at this level, only in a lower level, and that's exactly how it should be. It's also really important that you don't give someone else full administrator access to your account. I have dealt with situations where accounts have accidentally been deleted or data has been removed, and if you have kind of lower level access for any other users, it just means that mistakes are kind of avoided, and you're not going to be putting your data at any risk. So if we just head over to the property area now, this is where we're going to remove this additional user. So you just click on Property Access Management. When the screen opens, you'll see over on the right hand side, there's three little dots just here. So if you click there, and we're just going to click Remove Access, it will just ask us to confirm, and we'll just click Remove down here, and then the user is removed, so they wouldn't have access to the account anymore. It is worth checking if there's other properties in the account. You might want to just check through each of them and check that there's no access remaining on any properties. If we go back to the account access management now, you'll see that the other user isn't there at all because they never had access to this level. It's good to just kind of double check this though whilst you're removing any additional users.